Hello, this is a video to help practice with Lightly Row on page 44. Before we begin, let's review all the notes needed to play this piece. We are going to play this piece on just two strings. That will be the E string, the high string, and the string next to it, A. So, for the A string, let's look at the second line, the first bar. You have the note A, B, C sharp, and D. So this first A is an open A. So you're just going to be playing this open string, A, without putting any fingers on, right? Now the note B is your first finger, the index finger on the tape, the first tape on your fingerboard. Many of you have a green tape. That's the note B. And then the next one, C sharp, is going to be your second finger, your middle finger on the short red tape. Sounds like this. And then the D is your third finger. It's going to go right above the second finger, the note D. So let's play that with our bow. Here we go. I'm going to get my bow hold ready. Here we go, starting with open A, please. And we're going to practice this with whole notes, so 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Note A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop your bow. Put your first finger down for the note B. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to put your second finger down at C sharp, the short red tape. Make sure you have a space between the first and second finger. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the note D, third finger above the second. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. Now let's go back to C sharp. We're going to lift your third. Now lift your second finger. This is the note B, first finger. And then open A, please. Excellent. Now, the only other note we have on the E string is just open E itself. We start with an open E. Let's play a nice open E, long open E. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So let's practice this piece from the beginning to end. I'm going to first set my bow hold. Ready? My thumb will be right down here. Index finger at the first knuckle right here will be placed between the silver mesh and the rubber material. My second finger, middle finger, fourth rests here, and my pinky goes here. Make sure each finger is spread out. So you have space between each finger like this. This gives you a nice grip of the bow hold. So I have my bow hold ready. Put my violin up. My left arm is away from the side of my body. And I have this nice V shape. Make sure your thumb is at the side of the neck like this, and you have space above your thumb, just like that. Okay, I'm going to place my bow at the frog. This is called the frog on E string, the thinnest string, right here. I'm going to set my metronome on first. Here we go. This is my quarter note beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's begin after 1 bar. I'm going to count 4 beats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger, first finger. Now open A, climb the stairs. Open E, down, up, down. Now up bow, second finger, third finger on A string. Now open A again, second finger. Rest, rest, first finger. Second finger C sharp. Open E. Down, up, down. Third finger. Now open A, down bow.